rhino linking up the satellite. Too sexy for my looks. Come on, air bumps. Alright, now the rock's gonna break.
Barely fit a Yamaha Rhino through there. You guys might want to watch out. He's known to knock big trees over.
Yeah. That's a nice skid plate. You should buy a beer for the guy that made that for you. It's just so slick.
Ready, action.
You gotta go down there and look at the ruts in the rock. I'm not joking about that. There's 2 bogger ruts in the rock. It's the same engine that's in that black one. I like having rock walls.
I like them. Yeah, you can't break them.
Having no fear of destroying an axle shaft.
That thing's very stable.
Yeah.
Yeah, those axles hold that thing on the ground.
Oh God! Oh!
Whoops! I'd say go fast and slam driver's side because there's a rock you'll slam into. That way you're going to want to kind of go up, bounce, and just kick. Whoa! There, you can go that way. Big rock, wheel move. What is, that doesn't do anything though.
Get off the camera now! Roll!
That was fun.
I got a good line now?
Oh boy.
Hold on.
think you pushed the cage back.
Oh God! Oh God!